Meth is in the center console, and the fentanyl was on the driver's hat, the bag. This thingy.
You really think we're that dumb? Get up!
Can I grab my cigarette, please?
No. Come out.
I wasn't trying to elude you. Nothing on me whatsoever. I wasn't trying to elude you guys. My son just threw up, and I was trying to get on the phone with the police department.
I'm trying to pull my pants off. What are you doing?
Law enforcement officers undergo extensive training to recognize subtle signs of illegal activity, allowing them to detect crimes even when the evidence isn't apparent. We're breaking down 7 times a routine encounter with suspects escalates to a significant drug bust, and it's all caught on Bodycam. Welcome to After Hours, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Sam Goldberg. We begin today's episode in Fruitland Park, Florida. Officers observe a driver allegedly speeding southbound on Highway 27 and quickly run the license plates during pursuit. Hits on the plates come up from other local agencies, alerting police that the vehicle has a history of fleeing from law enforcement.
Take the keys out of the car. Take the keys out of the car. Officer Ketty, Fruitland Park Police Department. Reason for the stop, you're loan 16 or 50. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance? You don't have a license? Okay. Got it. All right. One more time. Okay. That's fine. You just run from us a lot. Well, this vehicle does.
This is my mom's vehicle.
It's your mom's vehicle? 26. I've got the keys out of the ignition.
I've never run from vehicles.
Oh, okay. But you don't have a license?
No, I got sometimes help people out, but I never had a license. So
Okay. Let me just get your info. What's your first name?
George.
Last name? And what's your date of birth?
While the officer collects some information from 38-year-old George Aguilera from dispatch, she starts to smell an overwhelming odor of what she believes to be marijuana.
Do either of you have a medical marijuana card? 149884656. No? Do you have a medical marijuana card? Okay. It smells like marijuana in the vehicle. Is there a reason for that? Okay. But you don't have, you've not smoked in the vehicle recently? Okay. Okay. All right. Just give me one moment, okay? I put the keys on top. This vehicle can put the pocket lock. He doesn't have a license. Sarge, it reeks of marijuana. Neither of them have a card, but do you want me to call for the dog?
Yeah, there's one in the area. Yeah.
Okay. Fruitland Park 33 Lake. Can you see if police works canine can be put on? Are you familiar with this vehicle?
No. I
So
just heard
it's
you
a-
ask for another one.
Yeah, it's it's fled from me like 3 times. It's on our hot sheet for 1050Fs. I was gonna block it in, but there were too many cars, so I went up next to it in the intersection. So he had no choice but to pull over.
Yeah, I just heard you ask for another one. I'm like,
Yeah. He's on inmate release for trafficking drugs, and the other one's for possession. And this vehicle is often at Arbor Ridge House. That might have been where they were coming from, honestly. I don't know.
What a great time.
Yeah, so. And it reeks of weed, but I'm getting the dog because if I find something big, I just want to make sure.
Yeah, why not? I just heard you ask for another one. I'm like, no.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Nothing else going on.
All right. I'm going to have you hop on out. Get out of the vehicle.
Well.
Yeah. All right. Do you have any weapons on you? All right. Just turn around. I'm just going to pat you down. All right. Go stand in front of my vehicle for me. All right, Mr. Brown, hop on out for me. Just leave by your stuff. Leave your drink. All right. No weapons on you?
Nah, I'll put them on.
All right. I'm just going to pat you down real quick. All right. Go stand up in front of my vehicle.
The female officers conduct a search of the car for any illegal substances, until one of her colleagues allegedly finds them in George's hat.
He had this ball up in his hand.
Okay.
This was inside his hand. Along with this. Whatever shape it has. There's a little pipe that
Okay. Okay.
The officer takes the hat and alleged drugs to the back of her patrol vehicle, where she weighs, tests, and packages the contents for the lab.
So it's field testing for fentanyl. Field testing for fentanyl. My scale is typically lower than what, like it's broken.
Yeah.
But it's usually lower than like the actual weight. And it's showing almost 4. So I'm probably going to have them go back to the PD and go on the actual scale just to make sure, because 4 is trafficking. We'll keep you posted. But yeah, meth and fentanyl.
And that was located in
The meth is in the center console, and the fentanyl was on the driver's hat, the bag, this thingy.
Then the officer returns back to the car to collect additional suspected paraphernalia.
These 2 straws, right side in the driver's pocket. One of these was, no, they were both in there. This one was, and then the meth was in here. You already got it. Center console, you can see it, but there's almost, he scraped up a bunch of it.
It looks like it was
So
like
probably
fell out of the bag.
Yeah, probably did. And then this was in his backpack.
Hey, he asked me what he's being charged with. I said he's being charged with possession of fentanyl, drug paraphernalia, driving while he's suspended. He goes, that's not supposed to be fentanyl, it's supposed to be cocaine. So, I want to test cocaine.
Yeah. The test that I had for cocaine,
Nothing?
nothing. I don't know if I didn't get enough, or these are expired. Either.
But, I mean, I say it's meth, you just smoking it on there.
This?
Foil, with the foil, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So the the meth just for destruction?
Just use as evidence. I mean, it's part of the evidence
To search the car?
further getting it down.
Okay.
George was arrested and charged with possession of fentanyl, possession of drug paraphernalia, and knowingly driving while license suspended. He pleaded not guilty. At the time of this recording, George's case is still pending. Next, up the coast, we're in Jacksonville, Florida, where mounted police approach a man who is openly selling drugs in plain sight. Instead of sticking around to chat with officers, 25-year-old Jordan Wilson makes a break for it.
Get in there. Get that Batman. Get that Batman in there. Get him. Get him now. Hey, get on the ground. You're going to get run over. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Get him, boy. You better stop. You're going to get hit. Come on, Nash.
Officer Hare pursues him on her horse named Nash. The chase ensues through several intersections and parking lots for about a quarter mile, until Jordan decides to give up.
Bro, you're not going to run us on the horse. You better stop. Jack, come on, Nash. Watch it. Watch it. Right now. Get on the ground.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Jordan was arrested and charged with resisting an officer without violence. He pleaded no contest and was sentenced to $303 in court fees.
Taking until I figure out what's going on, okay? Relax for me.
But I did nothing wrong.
So then why are you hiding the act?
You guys are like coming, like
It's normal to hide in the act when the cops show up?
Yeah.
Elaria officers are within an Ohio home conducting a massive drug bust. The home is known by police to be an alleged haven for drug activity. The owner of the residence grants officers entry, allowing them to search the home. But this time, they aren't searching for any hidden drugs. They're searching for hidden suspects all throughout the home.
He's gonna tase you if you don't get up now.
Look up there.
Crawl over here.
There's a man or girl. Who's up there?
Go ahead, brother.
Just give us a second.
Hey, come down. They won't hurt you, man. Whoever you is, get down here. Whoever you is.
Okay. Can you get up there or no? Alright. You gotta give me the boots.
Yeah, I got it.
Apparently there's somebody up there.
Who else is up here?
That's what I'm talking about.
Is there another way to get up here besides this crawl
I don't
space?
know. No, ma'am. I don't know nothing about none of that. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like,
Well, I'm just asking.
I'm so glad y'all. I'm like, I know.
I don't know what you know.
Not, like, what the hell's going on?
I don't have any dog up here. Go look
I know it's somebody else in this house.
I don't have.
I'm like, where everybody just go so fast? They just woke me by my sleep, banging on the door, and now everybody disappears. So I said, I'm not about to have this process.
Go down here. Go down. Go down.
Tell me why I got called.
Alright. What's your social security number?
No, this has nothing to do with me.
Yeah, it does.
You're hiding.
Alright, fine. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs and you're gonna go to jail. For lying to us. Now get down. Go.
Yeah, now it's starting to make more and more sense. I'm like, I just.
So then why are you hiding in the attic?
I'm sick because you guys freaked me out.
Yeah, clear.
Get
This has
down.
nothing to do with me.
Get down.
Go ahead, you can look all you want.
Step back. Step back.
But get it off.
You need lights?
Is that place big enough to stand up in
I
there?
have nothing. Check me, search me, do whatever you want.
Hey, Matt, get down. Go.
I just
Get down. How did you get up here?
Dollar bill that fell. I don't know where that came
Yes,
from.
I did.
Just watch that. What's it?
I don't, like, this is crazy. Like, I don't, this has nothing to do with me.
Okay, just get
No,
down.
it doesn't.
Get down.
Give cuss.
Yeah.
Both of mine are in there.
Nothing. This has nothing to do with
Just
me.
watch
Yeah.
her calm down.
Well, because there's like 800 fucking cops showing up.
Go.
Yeah.
Go. Come on.
This is crazy. I did nothing wrong.
Is it normal to hide in the attic?
We both been on there. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Come on. Come on.
Why do they
Come on.
wrong?
I don't know
Come on.
what's going on.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Turn
I
around.
did nothing wrong.
Turn around.
What-
Put your hands
Yeah,
behind your back.
listen,
We're
I'm not.
detaining until I figure out what's going on, okay? Relax for me.
But I did
Okay.
nothing wrong.
So then why are you hiding in the attic?
Because you guys are like coming, like
It's
crazy.
normal to hide in the attic when the cops show up?
Yeah, last
Really?
time you guys showed it too,
Doesn't
and there was
sound-
nothing wrong.
Sounds.
I was trying to figure out what they're talking about. This today, they found some ribs.
What's
your
name? Some what?
That, look, I'm in this
It
country.
has nothing to do with me. You don't need my name.
I do. This
No,
is
you
an
don't.
investigation. Okay, so you'll get another charge. That's fine.
Okay, that's fine. This has nothing to do
You're
with
the
me.
one that's going to go to jail for
I
it.
am not a resident here.
Okay.
I'm allowed to be up in the attic.
No, you're...
Yes, I am. Don't tell me I'm not allowed to be up in the
Stop.
attic.
We're not doing this right now.
I'm allowed to be up in the attic. This has nothing to do with me. You do not need my name. I refuse to give you my name.
Does Mike know you're here?
Yes, he does.
Okay. So you're a part of the investigation?
Then no. That's no.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right.
No.
That's fine.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't.
No. Do you mind if I check?
Absolutely. Check.
Okay, thanks.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on too. So with the energy like that, it's not going to, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to figure everything out.
Nothing to do with me.
I
I got freaked out and get wet in the attic. I'm allowed to go in the attic, and you can ask Mike if I'm allowed to be in the attic. I've been cleaning all day. Yes, I'm allowed.
Let's step over here
That's
from you,
all I
okay?
had both of them. I'm like, what the hell was going on? I thought y'all was, are you kicked in the door? I'm trying to figure out what, I'm trying
Mike came and answered.
that's what I'm saying. So what
And he gave his consent to search the whole house.
I understand. Listen, man, that's what I'm saying. Mike knew I was
He
up here.
don't have to give you permission to search the house.
But he
You
We
need a
asked
warrant.
for it and he gave it to us.
did.
Okay.
Hey, by the way, what do the body cams we cover on After Hours every week prove? The world is unpredictable, and having a great lawyer makes a huge difference. That's where our amazing partner and longtime sponsor, Morgan & Morgan, comes in, a firm with over 1,000 attorneys and some pretty sweet merch, too. Logan, zoom in on that. Thank you. 1,000 attorneys, and that's because they win a lot. In the past few months, Morgan & Morgan secured a verdict of $29 million in Philadelphia, $2.7 million in Florida, and $5.6 million for a car crash victim in Georgia after insurance offered their client $0 in that case. Even if your case isn't worth millions, why not start a claim, fight for what you deserve? Morgan & Morgan makes it truly so easy. You can start a claim from your phone in just 8 clicks or less. So if you're injured, you can easily start a claim at forthepeople.com/afterhours or click the link in the description and pinned in the comments. With the 2 suspects in cuffs, officers head down to the basement and instantly find 2 more pretending to be asleep.
You want to take them upstairs? We'll put them in another room. Come on.
Is the other dog away?
Yeah. The dog's away. I'll see if I check him real good.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be denying all 3 somewhere in the house.
Okay.
Stop.
What was his name again?
Jimmy.
What is it?
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Stop, baby.
Okay.
Crack phone is this over here?
I'm not even sure.
Jimmy. Wake up, bud.
Come on, dude.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up. Can you stand back up for me, please? You're not under arrest. Just stand up for me.
Get your leg out. Now. That's she's hiding in the dryer. What are you doing, dude?
Hey, I'm County Warrants, you know that. I don't know if they want to pick me up or not.
Oh, why is this so locked? That's good.
Officers handcuff and escort the man in the dryer upstairs. Meanwhile, the hunt continues for the rest.
You're alright. You're alright.
Stop, man. Baby,
Come on, bring your dog. Let's go.
sorry.
You're good. Good.
Just without the emotion, I just don't trust it. Sorry.
You're fine. You really think we're that dumb? Get up. Stand up.
Hold on, I'm coming. I got it one coming. Can I grab my cigarette, please?
No. Come out.
Right here.
Don't worry about your cigarette. Let's go.
Jim,
Go ahead.
I'm not very much.
Yeah, stand by. What's your name? Yes.
Brandon.
Brandon what? What?
Cheryl.
Check Brandon, Cheryl.
I'm pretty sure I just got him.
So why are you?
Because I don't want to go to jail because my lawyer is my attorney's supposed to be getting them.
Re-advise me.
Can you re-advise the last name?
Cheryl.
Brandon, Cheryl.
I'm supposed to be going to meet up with my lawyer at the courthouse.
213-377.
Yeah, I think I no,
Type sheet
you
ending
got it,
4867.
What?
I'm pretty sure I don't have my name.
Copy at 911.
Is there anything? Tuck anything back where you're hiding?
I'm gonna go look.
I don't have nothing.
Go. He's in custody.
Copy. Cautions are for violent, underseas and armed and dangerous. RWR sentence for failure to appear for examination.
All 7 suspects were arrested and charged with drug possession charges, and some of the suspects had outstanding warrants. The home tenant was charged with permitting drug abuse in the home. The following is a list of all the suspected drugs and paraphernalia found within the home. Next, we head to Santa Fe, where New Mexico State Police conduct a traffic stop on a driver who was not wearing a seatbelt.
Hi guys. Good. I'm Officer Jackson State Police. The reason for the stop is both of you aren't wearing your seatbelt.
I figured that. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, you got your driver's license registrations on you? That's your insurance.
Oh, well, my work right
That works.
Because I left my driver's license at home.
Well, this is your driver's license.
Oh, well, my...
I know you're right. I can pay for the hard one.
Here's a copy of it.
Yeah, I got you.
This one's my registration? Or...
Yep, it's in there. How about you, sir? Do you have a driver's license?
I have my ID.
That works. Alright. So here's the deal, guys. I'm going to give you both a citation for no seatbelt. Okay, so you both have the same option. You can either go to court. If you go to court, it's going to be Santa Fe Magistrate Court. You got 30 days to request a bench trial. Or you can choose the penalty option for no seatbelt. That's $25, and you got 30 days to pay it.
Yeah. Where would we pay it at?
You can pay it online, through the mail, or by phone.
Yeah, I could probably pay it online.
Okay. All right. Give me a second. I'll be right back, guys.
At first, the officer decides to let the two go loose with the citation, but he changes his mind after learning the passenger, 19-year-old Jesse Treadway, has an outstanding warrant and immediately calls for backup.
10-4. Tell him when he gets close. Go ahead and cut his lights and sirens. Be advised, there's a minor child. That's it. All right, Jesse, I'll do you first since you're the passenger, man. Go ahead, step out. Give me a paper. Go ahead and pull up your shorts. I didn't appreciate seeing the crack of your butt, man. Just stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Jesse, you got anything I should know about you? No? Just your phone, your wallet?
Yeah.
That's it?
Then a lighter. I have a lighter in my pocket.
Lighter? You got any narcotics or anything like that on you?
No.
You got anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, or harm me?
No. I only have a lighter, then I smoke weed.
You smoke weed?
Yeah.
I don't worry about weed, man. All right,
Then I have a pipe on me, just so you know.
What kind of pipe?
Just a little pipe.
The weed?
Yeah.
just weed?
Yeah, just.
Okay. Oh, dude, what'd you throw your sting for? Did you throw your water? What'd you throw your water for? Where'd it go? Huh? Where'd it go? Isaiah, any guns in the vehicle?
No. Not that I know of. No.
Mind if I search the vehicle?
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Right now you're just being detained. You're not under arrest for anything whatsoever. He's the one with a warrant, but he's got a warrant for being violent with a gun.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's why I'm asking these questions.
Oh, see, I didn't know about that. No.
I don't want to jam you up if you're the only adult for your kid.
Yeah, I understand. No, not that I know of.
Okay. Mind if I search the general area he was sitting and everything like that?
Go ahead.
Okay.
I also want to thank Upside for sponsoring After Hours. Upside's a free app that gets you cash back on daily essentials like gas, food, and groceries. This is real cash back. It shows up in your Upside app, and then you just transfer it straight into your bank account. The other day, I went out to a diner, fantastic spread, great coffee. I used Upside, I got cash back. Also, every single time I fill up my tank now, I use Upside. The first time I used Upside when I got gas, I got almost $8 back, like actually insane. So once you have the Upside app, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. You pay as usual using your debit or credit card, follow the steps on the app, and you get paid. To find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description to download Upside or scan the QR code on screen. Use our promo code AFTERHOURS. You get an extra 25 cents back on every gallon on your first tank of gas. That's promo code AFTERHOURS for an extra 25 cents back on your first gallon of gas. The officer searches for any signs of a firearm in the car.
I'll get you on your way here in a second. Isaiah, are you a felon? You're not a convicted felon? Where's the rifle at?
I don't have a rifle on.
I didn't ask if you had it on you. I asked, where's the rifle at?
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there's your water bottle.
You want your water? Or what is it? What it is?
It's juice. It's empty calories. It doesn't do you any good.
You want juice?
You need water in this heat, man. Anything in the truck is there?
Tools and ice chest.
Just the tools and the ice chest. What's in the ice chest?
I don't even know. It was on 4th of July.
I'm going to give you a verbal warning right now. Don't drive around with open containers in your car and your son.
There was one in there?
Yeah. Same kind of Corona you got in the ice chest.
See us from north. I'm so sorry.
You're good, man. You're good, man. I'm not going to jam you up because of that. All right? So Officer Rodriguez is going to get you out of handcuffs. We're going to get you on your way. I'm going to get you to sign that citation. You're good. It's not that good. All right, Jesse. So let me get this straight. This bag that was in your lap belongs to a friend of a friend.
Is it good to go?
Yeah.
You're good, man.
Is that correct? Okay, so do you mind if I search that bag?
Well, it's just for to my friend.
It's in your possession. It's your property. Is there anything illegal in there I should know about?
I don't know.
So you're holding the bag for a friend of a friend, but you don't know what's in there?
I don't know what's in there.
So why are you holding a bag that you don't know what's in there? You know that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. What are you into, Jesse, that I should be worried about? Because I'm not going to transport that bag until I find out what's in it.
I don't know. Like I said, it's a friend of a friend. It's not mine.
Okay. All right. Well, you do have a warrant. All right? So you're going to go to jail for that.
Yeah.
Okay? And I'm going to make sure that there's nothing explosive or anything that's going to harm me or hurt me or blow us up in that bag. The second I see something illegal, I'm going to get a search warrant for that bag and it's going to be yours. Because I'm pretty certain there's something in that bag you don't want me to know about. Other side. What? Other side.
That's a little bit. To your right a little bit. There we go.
Isaiah, you want this? Don't smoke and drive.
Yes, sir.
Now it's time to take a little peek in the bag.
Yeah, I'll be at the office.
You want to get you like a little bag?
No, I'm gonna just keep all of this. You're fine. Cursory search individual's belongings, backpack, red in color, was conducted in a 76 Santa Fe 81 to apply for a search warrant.
The officer applies for a search warrant so they can test some of the contents within the bag and transports Jesse down to the station.
All right, dude, I'm gonna get you in a holding cell and get those cuffs off you, all right? I know it's uncomfortable. Go right here through this door here on the rig. The holding cell right here on the left. Give me a few minutes to get situated. I'll come back and check on you. You need the bathroom or anything like that?
Yeah, I mean,
So bring it around to the front.
In the holding cell, police give Jesse one more time to come clean.
What am I going to find in the bag?
Probably probably stuff that's personal use because I use it, you know? Like, kind of like probably a little bit of drugs because I use drugs, you know?
What kind of drugs?
Huh?
What kind of drugs?
Like drugs, like...
We're talking about, dude, you say drugs are a dime or a dozen. Like, if you say methadone can be prescribed to you. That's a type of drug. If you're talking marijuana, okay, cool. That's weed, it's legal, but you still can't have it because you're 21.
Jesse's arrested and charged with 6 counts of trafficking controlled substances, 5 counts of distribution of a controlled substance, and violation of cannabis trafficking regulation. No records could be located indicating the outcome of his case after it was transferred to New Mexico District Court. Next, we're back in Florida, where Martin County deputies receive a Crime Stoppers tip saying an employee at the Zoomies store is selling drugs to customers regardless of age. Police walk through the Treasure Coast Square Mall to arrest him.
Patrick, how are you, buddy?
Patrick, you're under arrest.
We'll explain everything in a second, okay?
Hello, how are you? Good. Where's his black backpack?
What's up?
He's got a black backpack. Is this his? This one's his? Okay. Thank you. Backpack's secure. Got it.
Probably would, yeah.
He'll be able to make phone calls too when he gets to the office, alright? Alright. Just walk out. Thank you.
Detectives escort 27-year-old Patrick McMahon out of the mall and to the patrol car.
Can you guys stand by for a second so Detective Martin can get a photo? Or actually, if one of you guys want to take a photo.
Anybody got their work phone on them? Yeah. Do work. Need there you go.
According to police, undercover narcotics detectives entered the store on 2 separate occasions to purchase mushrooms from Patrick. Authorities knew he was selling the mushrooms for over a year, but don't know how many juveniles he had access to. Patrick was charged with 2 counts of sale and 2 counts of possession. He pleaded no contest and was sentenced to $540 in court fees. Now heading north, Eustis police find themselves in a high-speed pursuit with a driver fleeing a traffic stop. The pursuit lasts about 3 miles until an officer blocks traffic, giving the driver no choice but to stop.
Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the car! Put your hands up right now! Put your hands up! Get out of the car!
Stay here.
I don't care.
13 Eustis, we got him stopped. Give us traffic.
My son is sick. My son's sick, okay? It's his birthday. I'm sorry.
Get out of the car.
Right there. Calm down. Listen, my son's sick, and I was just going to the hospital.
Get out of the car.
No problem. It's no problem. I'm so sorry. I was trying to get on the phone
with your kid.
My son's sick. He was just throwing up in the car. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. He told me I was trying to get on the phone with the police department. It's my 2 kids right there. Sir, I have nothing on me. I have nothing. And he told me to just drive. Just to go. I apologize. I was trying to get on the phone with the police department to let them know that I was just going to the hospital. Sir, that's all. My son's sick. That's all. Ask them. They're right there. There's nothing in this car. I have nothing. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to elude you. Nothing on me whatsoever. I wasn't trying to elude you guys. My son just threw up, and I was trying to get on the phone with the police department.
You got a driver's license?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Where's that?
It's actually right there in that. right. Can I grab it? It's right there. It's right there behind you, sir. On that gray. Yes, sir. Yep, that's it right there. It's my son's birthday, and he's throwing up sick. We just had dinner, and I don't know. He's just, and I'm like, I'm trying to get on. I'm trying to have them get on the phone. None of us have service except for one phone. We're trying to get on the phone with the police department to let you guys know that I was just driving to the hospital. He was sick. You know.
Well, you know, if you would have pulled over, we could have just called the fire department.
I apologize. I'm so sorry. I was like, we're right here. I said, can you just call them? Can you please just call them and, like, you know, just try to get them, you know, just know we're just driving to the hospital.
Who needs medical attention?
My son's just sick. He's just throwing up like crazy. We just had dinner, and I was just like trying to get him, you know, straight to the hospital. I'm so sorry. I would have never. I apologize. I would have never have just started.
How old is your son?
My son's 10 today. It's his birthday. We just had dinner, and he's sick. I'm so sorry. I need to get him to the hospital. That's all. I apologize. I mean, I wasn't speeding or anything like that, you know.
Come on, put you on the car.
I'm being detained?
Yeah, you're being detained.
Why?
You didn't stop.
Sir, I'm sorry. My son's sick. Please.
That's not an excuse.
Please, sir. Listen.
Sit in the car.
Sir, please. My son's sick. Please. Sir, I apologize.
Hey, sweetie. You step out for me, okay? Just gonna have you stand over here.
Where's my mom?
Right now, she's back here. Just right now. Buddy, you okay? Are you sick at all?
Yeah.
What's going on? You got a bad cough? Okay. Like you having breathing issues? Okay. Are you having any right now? Not right at this second?
Oh, Schneider did? I didn't read your Miranda. I didn't read your Miranda.
I'm just asking about anyone can come pick up your children?
Yes. Am I being arrested?
What's that?
Am I being arrested?
Yes.
Why? Please, sir. I'm so sorry. I would never have done any. And I was not speeding or anything like that. I was just slowly trying to get him here. Please, you guys. Please. I mean, you guys do whatever you need to do. Search the car. Whatever you need to do.
Mm-hmm.
I have no ill intentions. My son just was sick. I just got him. He just left dinner. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
All right. So my question is, anyone to come pick up your children?
Yes, my mom can. But
You know the phone number off the top of your head?
My dad was a Eustis cop, you know. You guys, he retired from here, from Eustis. I would never have ran.
What was the phone number?
I have a clean. I mean, I have a good driver's license.
I got next to you in my truck, and we're just going to go around. He's trying to get someone to come pick up the children.
Are we attempting to both of them?
She's the driver, so I would assume yes.
Yeah.
And then he's got the 1049.
Oh,
for
got to hear that
fleeing and
part.
resisting.
Oh, imagine that.
Right?
And he was the one telling her to
keep driving.
The guy that has a warrant for fleeing and resisting. What's that do for you?
I'm not sure what his name is. What's up, buddy? It's probably this apartment complex.
"37-year-old Michelle Harbin tells police her front seat passenger and boyfriend was allegedly going to harm her if she didn't do as he says. Police arrest him after learning he's wanted on a warrant for allegedly burglarizing a home earlier that year. Now that they're both in custody, officers discuss what's next.
Was the kid sick?
You talked to him, or you said he had a cough or something?
He has a cough.
The kid say he doesn't feel good, like he doesn't feel alright.
Like right now, he's not having any of those symptoms.
Okay. So it's not like a medical
when I was next to
emergency?
her and it started blowing, did she try to go around me?
Yes. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She's going to go. She was trying to hit the ceiling when you were...
Yeah, they were trying to find a spot for him to run. That's what they were trying to do.
What about the kids with grandma or something?
Hello? Okay.
Yeah, I'll take it straight to
Hello, Sergeant Arnold, Eustis Police Department.
While one officer calls Michelle's mother to pick up her grandchildren, another officer conducts a search of the vehicle.
Sorry, I was on the radio.
It's okay. I apologize again. When you put the lights on or whoever was behind me, he said to me, "I'm not sure if I have a warrant or do not have a warrant. Please don't stop. Take it there." And I said, "What do you mean? And I said, "Are you planning on? You don't know if you have a warrant or not. What's going on with everything, basically." And he's like, "Listen, don't stop. I'm telling you, don't stop, or else something bad's gonna happen." I said, "What do you mean? I was very fearful to stop. That's a big reason why I didn't stop. I just don't want to say that too loud. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I apologize."
Who is he to you?
He is on and on again boyfriend.
Okay. Did you guys read her Miranda? Nope. Okay. You got your Miranda card on you?
Please, you guys, please don't take me to jail for this. I was in fear of I didn't know what he would do to me or my kids,
Okay, listen to this. I gotta read you this before I ask any questions, okay? Alright, you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult an attorney before speaking to the police and to have an attorney present during questioning now or in the future. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you said he's your boyfriend?
On and on again,
For how long?
About 3 years, on and off.
Okay. All right. And so he said to you that he may have a warrant.
Yeah, absolutely.
And for you to keep driving.
Yes. I mean, we were headed to the hospital. My son's sick with him. He was hyperventilating. I think it was a little bit over the top, but he was definitely throwing up and dry heaving and things like that. I was concerned, and that's why I was headed to the hospital. When he tells me that, because he was saying basically when we get to the hospital, don't, I'm planning on jumping out, basically, is what and I was like, wait, what do you mean? And, he's telling me, don't stop.
Mm-hmm.
I had no idea. And I was in fear, for me, for my kids.
In fear of what?
Just anything that he might do to me.
Why would you think he may do something to you?
Well, I mean, he has in the past.
Done what?
I mean, just been, very aggressively,
like verbally aggressive?
Yes, and telling me that things are going to go this way and that's it. You know what I mean? Just very much so, yes, sir. And, I mean, like I said, I apologize profusely. My dad was Eustace Cop. I mean, I just don't know. I don't know.
Well, I'm going to be straight up with you, okay? So, I understand the things that you're saying. And I get that he's the one that said for you to keep going.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so all that, we'll put it in the report.
I appreciate that. I mean,
For the judge?
I just wouldn't have,
But that's all we can do.
I understand, and I wouldn't have ran from you guys or anything. I was going very slowly. That's why.
But still not stopping. Listen, I'm just explaining to you. Not stopping for police when they have their lights and sirens on.
I know.
In a clearly marked vehicle.
No, I know.
I pulled up next to you in my vehicle.
Yes, sir.
And you try to go around me.
I apologize. I do.
So I'm just saying all these things.
I know, and I know.
Is trying to get away from the police.
Yes. And
regardless of the speed limit that you're going.
Yes, and I had.
You're refusing to stop for the police. Is what I'm just saying.
And
Okay.
I was
So that's fleeing.
I was scared for me and my kids because of him.
Okay, but
that scared me because I mean.
But
he
we're
was
police,
attempting to grab
so
the
we
wheel
will help.
from me and make a turn. You know what I mean?
Sure, but
Yeah.
we'll help.
No, you're right. I was scared. I didn't know what to do. That's why I was going really slow and I put my hazards on. And I was trying to get on the phone with the police department, I'm so sorry. I didn't want to didn't want him to do something drastic. Like, he almost grabbed the wheel
But
as soon as he put the lights on, or whoever was riding.
That puts your kids in danger as well, what you just did.
That's what. Well, no, that's why I slowed way down.
Because as you guys get to the hospital, now you guys get to the hospital and you have 3 cop cars or 4 cop cars, or by the time you get there, it could have been much more.
No, and I know.
In a parking lot, and then there's going to be several guns pointed at you and your kids.
I didn't even realize. Like I said, I was trying to get on the phone with the police department so that I could let them know that I was headed to the hospital. You know, he's telling me this and telling me like basically, don't you stop. You know, I'm sorry. I was just scared. I didn't know what to do, sir.
What about your license?
I had no idea about that.
That's not the case. When I talked to your parents, they said that you've been trying to work on your license.
No, I've had my license. My license has been good. That's definitely just happened. I mean, that had to have just happened because I have insurance and everything. I don't understand.
No, you don't. That's why you have a cease tag order in your car too. You don't have insurance on your car.
But I do. I just printed out the progressive information. Does it show it's recent? Does it show when it was suspended?
Do you have it up there on Shields?
They didn't add her, so I can't run it.
I mean, like I said.
Did he call a tow truck?
Yeah, Bay Street Paint Body.
Okay.
I had no idea.
Officers transport both Michelle and her boyfriend to the Lake County Jail. Moments later, the grandparents arrive on scene to pick up the children.
Go ahead and get my car.
Thank you for coming out.
Oh, you're welcome.
Do you have your ID so I can add
I
you
do.
to the call that we're turning over the children to you?
Yeah. Do you? Yeah, he's got his, or do
That's
you need
fine.
both?
We just need to show that we're turning the kids over to a licensed adult.
Has she already been taken?
Yes. Yeah, taken straight to Lake County Jail.
Michelle's arrested and charged with 2 counts of child neglect and disobedience to a law enforcement officer. She took a plea deal and was sentenced to 6 months of probation and $909 in court fees. We end today's episode in New Jersey, where officers respond to the scene of a crash after receiving a distress call directly from the vehicle through the AT&T OnStar service. The pickup truck driver hit a utility pole, breaking it in half, then hit a multifamily complex. Upon arrival, officers noticed the car smoking with 1 single occupant inside.
County 548, I'm out with the vehicle.
Hey, you okay in there?
He's going to 50 miles.
Is he still in there?
Yeah, he's moving.
County 548, dispatch, EMS, and fire department. This vehicle is smoking.
Here, let me get up and get my
Sir?
County, it's into a house.
Jesus.
Good, anything?
Firm. Yeah, sir. Hey. Hey, you were in a car accident. You all right? What's up? You were in a car accident. Are you okay? Do you have any pain?
What are you talking about?
Okay. No, not yet. Listen, hey, relax. You were in a car accident. I'm Officer Hill. I work for the Pennsylvania Police Department. You were in a car accident. Are you okay? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling any pain?
No.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
You were in a car accident, sir.
When?
Right now.
Well.
County 5, you're come through that stop warning.
Can you cut this down? Listen, don't move. Just relax, okay? Don't move too much. Just relax.
14, I'm coming in off East Pittsfield working TV.
Just relax. You were in a car accident. Okay? You were in a car accident, sir.
Where?
Right here. Are you in any pain?
No.
You want me to try to get him out, or he's not really answering any questions? He's confused and out of it.
Traffic control at 49 in Union.
All right, just try to relax, okay? Just stay put right there.
Yeah, we want to go or what?
Listen. Stop.
What, man?
Don't move too much. I don't know if you have
trying to get this.
Okay, all right, listen.
Oh my God, let me get this.
Just stop moving.
All
right, we're gonna move it. Just stop moving.
Who let me grab it?
It won't come off, bud.
Yeah.
Under it.
Listen, take your seatbelt off. Take your seatbelt off. Go.
Let's go.
It's my house, man.
Come on out. Come out. Step out of the car.
County, just advise fire department, this truck's smoking. It's right up against the apartment building.
Step out of the car.
A brief struggle ensues when officers attempt to remove 32-year-old Charles Miller from the car, who happens to be the son of the South Jersey sheriff.
It's only a matter of time for you kill somebody. You me? How do you kill no one? What are you talking about? You drive around I don't do what I'm supposed to. I'm trying to pull my pants up. What are you doing? I'm trying to pull my pants up.
County, he's a customer.
You're joking.
Yeah, next impound.
What are you doing, dude? Shut the
He's gonna need to be out here ASAP.
Where's my key in my truck? Hey. How do I put your feet cool? How do I put this in?
Put your feet in.
Yo, I can't put my hands in you. God, how is he always a pain in the
Alright, do a phone over.
See that house?
Where is it?
Down here.
Yeah. Good? Yo.
Say that again.
Someone's County 5-3.
Into the car.
Okay.
Also contact, I believe it's going to be Dave Curry for construction code. We're going to need him to come out here. The integrity of this house has been compromised. Sorry, do a phone number as well. Get him out of that, get you in a minute.
We got EMS to come check you out, all right?
What's going on, man?
EMS checks out Charles for any possible injuries from the crash.
Have a seat back in the car.
Can you push me a little bit? Whoa. Thank you. Sorry, buddy. Thank you. Seriously, thank you.
I hear you. Watch your legs.
Well, I do not.
Watch your feet.
Did you guys post out something? No. I didn't touch it. Just had the post out his fingers so I could. Alright, sounds good.
Yeah, you're so
perfect.
All right.
Yeah, so we'll just get his. You guys have his license and everything?
I haven't grabbed it yet, but I think we know who it is.
Right,
So.
cool. Yeah, we'll
All right.
And then,
he gets incarcerated later. I'm sure we'll see you guys at the station. What ended up happening? Did you get a story from him?
No. He fought us immediately, and then we ripped him out, put him in cuffs, and put him in the
Was he in the truck when you guys got here?
Yeah, he was like out of it, and I woke him up, and then I asked him if he was hurt or if he felt any pain, and he really couldn't say. He was just mad at me for waking him up, and then started freaking out, so I couldn't get if he was hurt or not out of him.
It's just alcohol, or you think drugs?
Don't know.
Bluetooth connection success.
I'll do on one with one now.
Hey, if something comes out, you're gonna have to lead him. Okay. Because I got everybody else tied up on traffic.
Okay.
From this one.
Hey, can you get on this here?
It's in the truck. It's underneath the jogger. Go get it, door.
Yep. Oh, but.
Contact emergency management. Advise them we have a crash here with a vehicle into a house. There's going to be several residents displaced. If you can give me a 4.
Try and pull him up, though.
Yeah, you gonna get a button.
No, I'm gonna get one.
I'm sorry, you want me to grab it?
No, sure.
No.
This is my
Give it a wiggle, give it a wiggle.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, there you go.
Sorry, dude.
Okay,
Take all these, man.
Where are you coming from, Charlie?
What?
Where are you coming from?
Elmer.
What?
Elmer.
Elmer?
Yeah. Sorry.
Sit down on that bench there. I got a bench. Go ahead.
In his vehicle, police recovered 36 bags of suspected heroin, 6 vials of suspected crack cocaine, and 5 Xanax pills. Charles was arrested and charged with multiple charges, including 2 counts of possession of a Scheduled I substance, possessing prescription Legend drugs, and driving under the influence during a crash. No records could be located to determine the outcome of this case at the time of this recording. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Law and Crime After Hours is researched, it's written, and it's produced by Jordan Chacon. Video editing is done by Logan Harris. I'm Sam Goldberg. We'll see you next week.
Right now! Get on the ground!